Hi viewers! I decided to make a little video today because I know I have been missing in action for a few months, and I normally don't get very personal in my life, but I decided I wanted to share something with you guys, and in hopes that if I could just help one person feel better, then that would be my ultimate goal. So back in May, I developed what they called positional vertigo. And basically I'd get dizzy with different movements, laying, sitting up, turning over. If I look up, upwards like that, I would feel dizzy. And it was extremely frustrating and scary, to say the least. So I went to an ENT, and we tried medication, we tried the EBI exercises, and none of that was really helping. And so I went to a special ENT who invented this machine. It was a repositioning machine, and basically it was supposed to realign the crystals in my ears. I did 7 weeks, once a week for 7 weeks, sessions with that machine, and I wasn't really seeing very much results. While I was under the care of the ears, nose, and throat doctor, he did send me for an MRI of my brain. Thank God I did not have a brain tumor, and all my sinus cavities, my inner ears, and all the workings of all of that were all healthy. I decided to try to think outside the box, and I went to a holistic health professional who kind of assessed me and put me on certain herbs and vitamins to try to boost my immune system and maybe work on some of the areas there. And then after doing a lot of research, I found that not every chiropractor is the same. And so I went to a chiropractor who specializes in just the upper cervical of the neck, because the more reading that I was doing, a lot of things pointed to sometimes vertigo can just be from your neck. And it's simple, but it's not as simple as that. So I've been going to him for a few weeks now, and he doesn't do any cracking manipulations at all. He uses a tool called a Pro Adjuster. He does a lot of neck manipulations with the muscles, kind of like some deep tissue massage, and then uses this Pro Adjuster to help the vertebrae get realigned. And since I've been going, I've actually had some baby steps, and I'm starting to feel better after all these months since, like I said, May. And so, like I said, I'm not a doctor. I'm not prescribing any medical information or that you should be doing. I'm just sharing my journey and what I did to try to help myself. I had one doctor tell me that oftentimes once women turn 50, that they get this vertigo and they have to live with it for the rest of their lives. And I really wasn't happy hearing that, and thought there's got to be more to helping yourself than just accepting that. So with this positional vertigo, I do get a little wooziness when I move my head and quick movements and things like that. And it has made me very, very tired, not very low energy, and not very motivated, which is why you haven't seen me for the last few months. But I have made some progress in the last week or two, and I'm finding that my spirits are higher, my energy level has come back a little bit, and I think I'm ready to jump in and get back to doing my baking to building. I know I miss doing it. I really enjoy sharing all the projects and ideas that I do. And so again, I'm not a doctor, not giving you any medical direction, but trying to share what I did to try to help myself. So if you're having the same problem that I'm having, I suggest that You know, you do your reading, do your research, look for a holistic health professional to help start your journey, and definitely look for a chiropractor who specializes in that upper cervical. I'm a big chiropractor goer, don't mind being cracked, but the cracking wasn't helping, and I felt that there must be other alternatives. And the Pro Adjuster tool that my chiropractor is using has seemed to be helping very much. A few of the other things that I do is I take herbs, so I make tea out of them. So I do a holy basil blend that I just stick the herbs in a tea bowl and put some steeping hot water. I also use oregano, which you can find right in your cooking pantry. If you'd like to do Italian cooking, most people have oregano. You can make a tea out of that as well. And I also take oregano oil 3 times a week, which does help with inflammation. So these are just some of the things that I do. I will keep you posted on my journey moving forward and trying to feel better, and hopefully this vertigo will go away and I can get back on track. But in the meantime, thank you for your patience. Really means a lot to me that you haven't gone away, and that I will be back in the next week or so with posting more videos and getting back into the swing of things now that I'm feeling a lot better. I still do have some vertigo, but it is a lot better than it was. And like I said, my energy level and my spirits are risen because of the steps forward that I have made to get better. So wish everybody a Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, Happy Holidays, and that I wish from my heart that everybody has a healthy and safe new year. And we'll see you soon. And again, thanks for tuning in. And until next time, bye.